How to use Tradingview to set price alerts on your mobile. Because the truth is, you do not want to be sitting in front of your chart all day long, watching every price movement, candlestick for candlestick. That is a very, very bad habit. It might be good at the beginning when you are trying to understand how the market moves, but eventually you realize that the longer you stay in front of the chart, the more you are exposing yourself to FOMO. You start looking at some things, and then you start looking at things that might not really exist, but you are psyching yourself to imagine a trade. Oh, look at the way this candlestick is moving, it's dropping to the downside. I can capitalize on this move, and at the end of the day you end up getting burned. So you want to make your analysis fine, probably when you wake up in the morning or during your trading session. You want to make your analysis and mark out key levels depending on the strategy you trade. If you trade supply and demand, probably you're marking a supply level, or you're marking a demand level, or you're marking a support or a resistance level, or it might be a trend break, whatever the strategy is, in which at this particular point or at this particular price you are expecting a reaction at that level. So that is where you are looking forward to take a trade. You want to be taking trade probably when price breaks through this trend line, or probably when price reacts at this supply zone or this demand zone, or when it taps into maybe a fair value gap, or whatever it is your strategy entails. So that is the only time you should be in front of the chart, trying to look at what to do. That is after you've done your analysis. Because if you sit down from morning till night or for hours looking at it candlestick for candlestick, you will psych yourself out. So that is where the use of price alert comes in. So you can simply just set a price alert, and then TradingView will alert you once price reaches that your desired region. Then you can come to your chart and analyze and look forward to take a trade. So how do you set price alerts? Let's dive right into it. You can see a plus sign by your top right, right? By your top right, there is a plus sign. So you click on it like this, and then it gives you a list of whatever it is you want to trade. Gold, we have the option of stocks, we have funds, we have future, we have Forex, we have crypto. So whatever it is you want to trade, let's use probably gold, for example, or we can use Forex, Euro USD, anything. So let's say Euro USD, for example. So the current price of Euro USD is 1.0456, right? And then you can see clearly here that price, probably this is a swing high candle. This is a swing high candle. So the highest point was 1.049222, and then it's closed on 1.04814. So perhaps you're expecting a price reaction at this candle close, for example. So you want to be setting your alert at the close of this candle. So if price goes back up to this point, you are expecting a reaction at that point, because that was a swing high. Okay, so it usually indicates price reversal. So now you're going to set your alert at 1.04814. Note, I am just doing this for content base. It's not like I made any analysis on Euro USD. I'm just looking at it based on what I'm seeing at the moment. So 1.04814. So all you have to do is look at your left here. You see this thing that looks like an alarm, right? Plus. So you just click on it and say 1 point. What was the price again? 1.04814. Okay, so 1 point, edit it, 04814, and then you tick this. So automatically the alert is going to be set at that particular price, and you will see it set there. So the alert is there, and you can see, as you can see, that is the line. So whenever price goes back to tap into this price, TradingView automatically beep you a notification. So far you have your internet connection on, right? It has to be on. You don't turn off your data or your Wi-Fi. Make sure it's on, and then you can come to sit in front of your chart and look forward to taking your trade depending on your strategy, rather than you just sitting down in front of the chart and then analyzing and looking at the chart from morning to night and exposing yourself to so much mental FOMO. So this is a very good way, or a good approach, to trading. So less is more, right? Less is more. You don't want to be psyching yourself every single day in front of the charts. Go and do other things. Just trade when you need to, and not just anytime. So if this video was of value to you and it was helpful to you, just help me back by hitting that subscribe button and liking this video. It helps me, it encourages me to release more useful and beautiful contents like this to help your trading career. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.